observe carefully to this diagram. Here line AB and line CD, these are two lines, parallel lines. Now student, I have drawn here diagram. I have drawn two lines in a plane. These two lines are at the same distance from one another. If we extend both lines to both directions, they will not intersect each other. So that these lines are called non-intersecting lines. That means these two lines are called parallel lines. Means, what is the definition for this? The lines lie in a single plane. This is the most important point. Lines lie in the single plane which do not intersect each other are called parallel lines. This is written as, now here line AB and line CD are parallel. It is written as line AB parallel line CD. This is sign used to denote the parallel lines. Now I have taken another diagram to state the parallel line. Now here line L and line M, which are denoted by the single English letter, small letter, so that if both lines are in single plane, they do not intersect each other, so that these lines are called parallel lines. Now it is also written as line L parallel line M. Now write down definition for parallel lines. Lines which lie in the same plane but do not intersect each other are called parallel lines. Now student, lines which lie in the same plane but do not intersect each other are called parallel lines. Now here, lines which lie in the same plane, this is the most important point. Because if I took one line on the board and another line on the sheet of paper, both lines do not intersect each other, but they are lie on the different plane, so that the lines must be on the same plane and which are not intersecting. Now student, we are studying intersecting lines. Now this is the line L and line M. Both lines are intersected at point P, so that this line are called intersecting lines. Now I am constructing another diagram. This is the one line and this is another line, line P and line Q. In this diagram, both lines are not actually intersected, but if we extend this line to this direction, this line will intersect to this line in single point, so that these two lines are not actually intersected, but they are called intersecting lines, because this arrow shows that if we extend the line, it will intersect. So these lines are also intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Now student, I have drawn two diagrams here, two different diagrams. Now in this diagram, line L and line M are intersected each other in point P, so that these lines are called intersecting lines. But in another diagram, here line P and line Q is taken. In this diagram, two lines are actually not intersected each other. But if this arrow shows that we can extend this line, if we extend this line, line Q as like this, line Q will intersect at this point to the line P. Means actually they are not intersected, but they are called intersecting lines, because after extending these lines or both lines, they will intersect. So that in this both diagrams are examples of intersecting